Hi everyone, this is Wanda from Time Desire and I'm going to be showing you how to cut wooden dowels. I have two wooden dowels here and each of them are about 12 inches, that is also 30 cm, and I'm going to be cutting this in half, which means I'm going to be going for 15 cm, which is also going to be 6 inches, just in case you don't know. So I'm going to mark that place with my scissors, and I actually have a big scissors here now, not those small craft scissors, because I don't think that will work for this. I'm going to put my scissors down if I want to cut it, so it's going to grip my dowel, and I'm going to be twisting my dowel with my left hand, so I'm making a mark or making a dent in the wood in a circular motion. The aim of this is to make a mark around the wooden dowel, and when you're done with that, or when you made a suitable dent, you just remove these scissors and then snap it in half. Just use your two hands, go as close as possible, and then snap, and that's it. It's very easy. I will show you this again, but this time I'm going to be making one to be about 12 cm, which should be 5 inches if I'm correct. It might not be. So I'm making one shorter than I would normally, because I want to show you that you can always cut more than one side. Now I'm going to use my scissors to mark the spots that I would like to cut. You can see there a tiny dent. So remember, grip your scissors as if you want to cut something, and then twist the wooden dowel. You can twist it left, you can twist it right, just twist the wooden dowel until when you've made a circular dent. I feel like I'm using this word wrongly, but you understand what I'm saying. And then remove it. You can clearly see what I've done. Now I'm just going to use my two hands, hold that point and snap it, and there. And that is all for today's tutorial on how to cut wooden dowels. Bye!